Ni hao, creators. Tonight we're gonna draw NU's greatest student, known as the SPLAT Monster. A few years ago, he started out as Night Ninja's smallest foot soldier, better known as the youngest in the group. After a freak accident during a Chinese curse, this young warrior transformed into a liquid nitrogen solid-like. This young fellow transformed into a lol squid-like entity, created entirely out of the same weapon that Night Ninja uses in a fight. This creature isn't really evil. Every time he sneezes, he transforms into this being. And it's kind of a big deal. This monster isn't really a bad guy. Ever since that night, NU took a huge liking to this foot soldier and became a nice guy and found the goodness in him. Eventually, the two remained friends. He became NU's apprentice and a great ally to her. He lived on this mountain to help master his transformation and become a dragon master. To save those that he loves. To save those who he protects. And to guard those who have a pure white heart. That's what it means to be a dragon master. Drawing his body is really easy. Draw this part here. There. That is how you draw the SPLAT monster. And you, if you're watching this, just want you to know, your father would be proud. Everybody in your family would be proud that you tamed and befriended this amazing warrior.